Vodafone UK is hiring. If you're looking for an incredible opportunity to grow professionally while working from the comfort of your own home, this is it. They're currently seeking enthusiastic individuals to join their team as customer service advisors, offering a chance to be part of a dynamic company committed to inclusion, innovation, and making a real difference in the world. You'll be responsible for ensuring smooth customer account operations, handling queries via calls, emails, or live chats, and delivering top-notch service to corporate clients. It's a full-time position with flexible home-based working, and Vodafone even provides you with their office in a box kit to get you started. This job is ideal for someone who thrives on connecting with people, solving problems, and contributing to a larger mission. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It helps us immensely in bringing you the latest updates on exciting opportunities like this one. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another great job lead. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Back to the job. It's not just about answering customer queries. As a customer service advisor, you'll be a vital part of Vodafone's mission to build a better connected, inclusive, and sustainable world. You'll collaborate with various teams, support corporate account managers, and address technical and network-related issues with efficiency and empathy. Vodafone is dedicated to providing world-class service, and you'll be at the heart of this mission, ensuring customers feel valued and supported. What's great about Vodafone is that they prioritize diversity and inclusion. They welcome candidates from all backgrounds and even encourage you to apply if your experience doesn't perfectly align with every requirement listed. They believe in the potential of their people and are ready to support you in growing into this role, or even another one that fits your unique skills. As you can see from their website, Vodafone offers a salary of £25,358, plus a 5% local bonus, and an outstanding benefits package that includes up to 28 days of holiday, employee discounts, retail vouchers, a pension plan, and share schemes. They even support you with market-leading parental leave policies and charity leave for those who want to give back to their communities. Vodafone doesn't just hire you, they invest in you with top-notch learning and development tools to help you thrive at every stage of your career. This is more than a job. It's a chance to grow in an environment that values and celebrates individuality. If you're excited about this role, be sure to check out the description box below for the application link. Remember, applications for opportunities like these can close quickly, so don't wait too long. Vodafone's recruitment process includes reasonable adjustments for those who need them, so be sure to reach out if you require any assistance. It's all part of their commitment to ensuring an inclusive and supportive hiring journey. Finally, before you go, don't forget to check out our other videos and visit our website for more remote job opportunities. Whether you're looking for something in customer service, tech, or creative roles, we've got you covered. Let us help you find your next big career move. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.